So here we are dealing with the left foot, uh, right? We would never actually ask you to identify left or right of each individual bone right now. Maybe later on in your career you'll have to do that. But right now, just know that we're looking at a left foot. So just know it as a group. Be able to figure out left foot as a group. And we're just going to work our way through the ankle and then into the phalanges. So the ankle is pretty straightforward. There's 7 bones versus the 8 that you find in the wrist. And they start off, this big guy, your heel bone, is the calcaneus. The one right on top is the talus. This one right here is the navicular. Like the scaphoid, it has this kind of nautical name, like navicular navy. It's kind of boat-shaped or canoe-shaped. So we have calcaneus, talus, navicular, medial, intermediate, and lateral cuneiform, and then cuboid is the last one. All right, and so the acronym or the mnemonic device that we use is, or I like, is clever tigers need MILC. Right? Clearly not spelled how you spell milk, but it helps. So clever, calcaneus, tigers, talus, navicular, need, MIL. So medial, intermediate, lateral, cuneiform, C, cuboid. All right, and that is the ankle in a nutshell. For the rest of the foot, it follows the same basic principles as it does in the hand. You have a metatarsal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if we look at it from the top, you have metatarsal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's helpful if I use my left hand. Metatarsal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have proximal phalanx 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like your big finger, your big toe doesn't have a middle phalanx. So we start middle phalanx 2, 3, 4, 5, and then distal phalanx 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just like your big toe, or just like your big finger, big thumb, if you remember that has a special name, the pollex, Pollex, right? And you have special muscles that go specifically to that structure. You have a special, your thumb gets or your big toe gets a special one. It's called the hallux, Hallux. Not the whole crux, which I get sometimes. It's the hallux, right? Hallux. And again, you're going to see that pop up when we talk about muscles.